everyone, this is a video on how to find the cube roots of negative I by using our complex numbers, roots of complex numbers, and this formula here. So we'll get started. The first thing I want to do is write this in polar form. So since we want to find the cube roots, we're going to write this as z cubed equals negative I. And remember, negative I, if you graph it, is like 0 minus I. So your real part's 0, and you're going negative I down here. So this is 270 degrees, or we could say it's negative 90 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and pick negative 90. You can use 270 or negative 90, it doesn't matter. So we're going down 1. This is a 1. So our R is 1. And this equals 1/6 of negative 90 degrees. Or again, you could do 270 instead. So now I'm going to use the formula. So I have 1 to the 1/3 equals 6 of negative 90 degrees divided by 3, your n equals 3, plus k times 360 degrees divided by 3. And simplifying this, you get 1/6, shouldn't be an equal here, sorry, 1/6 of negative 30 degrees plus k dot 120 degrees. All right, and now we're going to use for k equals 0, 1, and 2. We want to use these three based off our formula here, and our n is 3. So now we just find everything. So for k equals 0, we get 1/6 of negative 30 degrees, which is the same as 330 degrees. And that equals, your cosine is square root of 3 divided by 2, and your sine is 1/2 there. All right, and now for k equals 1, you're going to get, so we're going to call this Z1. So for k equal 2, for Z2, we're going to get 1/6 of 90 degrees, and that's this part right here, and that just equals I. And for the last one, for 2, we're going to call that Z sub 3, and that's going to be 1/6 of 210 degrees, and that equals, your cosine is going to be negative square root of 3 divided by 2, and your sine is negative 1/2 I. And that's your 3 complex cube roots of negative I. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.